Salutations to you, young lady of 7 to 14 years of age, and welcome to this edition of the Future Women of Science series. My name is Dr. Emily Trocadero, Divine Empress of the Ya-Ya Sisterhood of Traveling Pants and Science here at Butler Tech Industries. I wanted to use a Steel Magnolias reference there, but my director said the target audience wouldn't get it. I say you're never too young to watch Julia Roberts die of kidney failure. Disagreements abound. Dickface. In this tape, we're going to dispel one of the biggest myths girls your age face in school. No, it's not that anal doesn't count. It most certainly does. What I'm talking about is the myth that math has no application in your life. Though, if you're already doing anal in junior high, you've got more problems than I can help you with.
But Dr. Trocadero, math really is irrelevant to my daily life. I don't need to know the cosine of my prom dress. Calculus won't make me homecoming queen. Why should I bother solving for X when I can major in photography?
And to that I say, hey, bimbo, have fun with your studio apartment and lack of dental insurance while the rest of us are building atomic killbots. To help me show you how math is very applicable to your young lives, I have my assistant, Gunther, on hand to present an equation that will save you tons of headaches as you enter your dating years. Sorry, ladies, Gunther is married to science. Bill Science, he works in a juice bar. God damn it. All the good ones are gay or taken. So you're dating a guy, and you ask him, hey, where's this relationship going? And if he gets evasive and weird, it's because he's processing this math equation. Z divided by x plus y equals 1. And what your man is doing is solving for z, where 1 is a constant, meaning still getting laid. Easy peasy George and Wheezy, right? Of course it is. It's for a man. X equals the sum of all your man's issues with you. Maybe he finds you too clingy. Maybe you have irredeemable, awful taste in music. Maybe you're a Dallas Cowboys fan. Whatever. Those are the problems he has with you. Y. This equals the sum of his issues. Fear of commitment. Baggage from previous girlfriends. His multiple wives he doesn't want you to know about. His problems. You can't change X or Y. And that brings us to the variable Z. Z is a course of action or a conversation that reconciles these issues so that they equal the magical, sexy constant 1. How? Maybe it's a simple phrase like, I don't want to rush things, or let's take our time. Or maybe it's something more advanced like a bouquet of flowers or a weekend apple picking trip. The possibilities are endless. Spelled out in plain English, this equation means what will it take for this guy to maintain the status quo and neutralize his and your issues in order to continue getting laid. Now, seeing as still getting laid is the constant, the higher the value is for X and Y, the higher the effort he has to put into Z. If X and Y become too big, he might conclude it's not worth the effort to solve for Z anymore. And then the relationship's finished. Done. So, anytime you ask your guy about the relationship and he looks like a cat who can't figure out how to get into a box, it's because you sprang a pop algebra quiz on him. And he is furiously crunching the numbers on what he's got to do to keep tapping your ass. Which again, seriously, at least wait until college to give up the dirt road. And now, you know one important example of how math is applicable to your life. When you know math, you know how the universe operates. And when you know how the universe operates, you can conquer it with science. Dr. Emily Trocadero, logging off. Do you like the Dallas Cowboys? No? Good. Fuck them. So what team do you like? The Browns? Oh man. I'm sorry. It's rough. Sounds like poop.